Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta sending the video of grammar chapter numbers. First we will discuss the rules of this chapter. What is the number? When a noun stands for one person, animal or thing, we say that it is a singular. When a noun stands for a more than one person, animal or thing, we say that it is in the plural. Let us revise the rule and of making plural. First rule is most noun form plural by adding s. Simple words boys, girls. Now, second rule noun ending in s, x, double s, x, ch and sh make the plural by adding es. If for example buses, bus is going to end from s. So we plus here es. Fox is the end of the word x. And when we add es, it will be plural. Glass, it is the end from the double s, and we will add es in this word. It is the plural. Now buzz, same. Bench, bush. It became buses, foxes, glasses, buzzes, benches, bushes. Now the next rule is some nouns ending in f. Change the f to v and add es. We have to omit the f and it have to change into the f, v, and then we have to add the es. For example, half, halves, wall, walls, shelf, shelves. There are exception case. Some nouns ending if in f only takes s. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें v में कन्वर्ट नहीं किया जाएगा, केवल s ऐड कर दिया जाएगा. शेफ, रूफ, शेफ्स, roofs. Now next rule. Some noun ending with the o make the plural by adding es. For example, potato, potatoes, eco, ecos, hero, heroes. Some exceptions are here. Some nouns ending in o only take s. Suppose photos, logos. Now the next rule is some nouns always use plural. These words all made automatically in the plural. Trousers, jeans, glasses. There is no need to change in these words. So same, these are also some nouns have the plural form but singular meaning. These words have the singular because in the end of these words add s, but it is uses only in singular. For example, news, athletics, physics, billiards. Now the next rule is noun ending in y. Change the y into I and add es. Penny. Penny, end of the word, it will belong to y. It will be converted into the pennies. Spy, spies, poppy, poppies. Exception case, some nouns that have a vowel before y only takes s. जिन वर्ड्स में y से पहले वॉवेल लगा होता है उसमें केवल s का यूज़ करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल monkeys, holidays. Now the next rule is some nouns ending in the fe changes the fe to v and add es. For example, wife, wives, knife, knives, life, lives. Some nouns are the same in both singular and plural. It will be not convert. For example, fish. Fish is possible when we mean various kind of fishes. Sheep, sheep, deer, deer, tuna, tuna, salmon, salmon, trout, trout, spacecraft, spacecraft. Now the next rule is some nouns do not follow any rules. इसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं होता है. ओनली वी हैव टू चेंज ओनली वन वर्ब. वी हैव टू चेंज द सिंगुलर वर्ड्स इनटू द प्लूरल. For example, man, man, woman, woman, child, children, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, mouse, mice, person, pupil, ox, oxen. Now, some words here which never be changed. These are already in plural form. Furniture, information, knowledge, jewelry, homework, marketing, livestock, education, courage, bravery, luck, cowardice, greed. There are so many words which never be changed in plural form. It is automatically in plural. Now we will discuss some another topic. To express the quantity of an uncountable noun, we use the words expression like some, much, a lot, a bit. For example, I do not have much money. I do not have much money. Doctor said that I should drink a lot of water. Sometimes we use exact measurement like a pinch of, a cup of, a bag of, a spoon of, a kilogram of, a piece of. For example, add a pinch of salt in a curry. I need a piece of advice. Such expressions are called partitive noun. Yes. Here is a list of some partitive noun and uncountable noun that go with them. A piece of advice, a peg of hunger, a sign of respect, a fit of anger, an hour of work, a bowl of rice, a work of art, a block of rice, a grain of rice, a drop of blood, a scoop of ice cream, pile of rubbish, a loaf of bread, piece of information, a pinch of salt, a game of chess, a jar of jam, a cloud of smoke, a bar of chocolate, a jar of jam, a glass of juice, a fall of snow, a lump of coal, a piece of land, a bottle of milk. There are so many words of partitive noun. Thank you.